Entities in Minecraft are packed with awesome loot, shulker boxes, OP armor, and of course Elytra, but finding them is not so fun. Therefore, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find entities in a simple and consistent way. So let's get started. What you guys first need to do is make sure you're on the outer islands of the end. You get there by killing the Ender Dragon and going through the Bedrock gateway. After you have done that, you will come to the outer islands of the end. Once you're there, you're gonna need to check your coordinates, and we can do this by pressing F3. Here we can see our current X coordinates are 941. What we're gonna do is move until your X coordinates is either 1200 or negative 1200, whichever is easier. So let's move. Okay, we're moving. Okay, yeah, this is our X coordinate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna travel in a straight line along the Z axis while keeping our X coordinate around 1200 or negative 12,000 the whole way. And if you don't find a city after a good distance, turn around and go the opposite way along the same z-axis, while keeping the x-axis same. Eventually, we will spot an entity and maybe one with even a ship. It's really that easy. So let's try this. Let me turn this off for once. Okay, let's select this direction and go. Going, we will find one eventually. It's gonna take a little bit, like under a minute or so. Keep going in this direction. Hopefully we will find one soon. If not, then the other way, backside. Okay, we found one. We found two. We found two. One here and one this one. Okay, let's go to one with the ship. Guys, I hope this trick helps you out. So I have also a similar hack for finding nether fortresses. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Okay, we found an other behind this too. So there you go, this trick works. Okay, so bye bye.